Drones are changing the battlefield, but the Bullfrog anti-drone system is built to fight back with serious firepower. Unlike laser-based systems, this military-grade defense technology relies on a 7.62mm M240 machine gun, controlled by advanced AI algorithms trained on millions of aerial images. It boasts an impressive false negative rate of less than 2%, ensuring precision when detecting airborne threats. The Bullfrog can take down drones weighing up to 600 kilograms from 800 meters away, making it one of the most versatile counter-drone solutions available. Weighing less than 180 kilograms and powered by a 24V electrical system, it's compact enough to be mounted on a pickup truck, offering unmatched mobility in the field. When it comes to high-performance military respirators, the MIRA C21 sets a new standard. Designed in the United States, this full-face respirator ensures maximum protection against chemical, biological, and nuclear threats while maintaining exceptional comfort. One of its most innovative features is the switchable filter system, allowing users to adjust the placement for better maneuverability, a crucial advantage in combat situations. Built-in communication systems enhance coordination, while its anti-CO2 buildup design ensures clear breathing for peak focus. This respirator can withstand temperatures from 70 degrees Celsius to -40 degrees Celsius, making it battle-ready in extreme conditions. With a 10-year service life and a price tag of around $500, the MIRA C21 is an essential tool for modern military personnel. Explosive ordnance disposal is one of the riskiest military jobs, and the EOD ONE protective suit by Lubawa S.A is built to protect those on the front lines. Unlike traditional bomb suits, this Polish-engineered armor provides multi-layered protection against shrapnel, blast waves, and extreme heat all in one advanced system. Its ergonomic design includes an integrated communication system, cooling mechanisms, and even a breathing apparatus for high-risk situations. A touchscreen control system makes it easy to manage, while built-in cameras allow remote monitoring for real-time support from other specialists. The EOD ONE is redefining safety in military bomb disposal, ensuring operators can complete missions with maximum protection and efficiency. The Roketsan PUSU is Turkey's answer to modern mobile missile systems, designed for quick deployment on pickup trucks. First unveiled during the Free Fire 2024 exercises, this compact but powerful system carries 4 advanced missiles, including the Roketsan Sirit, a 70mm precision-guided rocket with multiple warhead options such as high explosive, thermobaric, and incendiary. With a strike range of 8 km and a 3x3 meter accuracy zone, the PUSU system allows friendly forces, including helicopters, to designate targets, significantly increasing battlefield flexibility and firepower. Its lightweight design and precision targeting make it an indispensable asset for modern military forces. Meet the RIPSAW M3, a next-generation robotic combat vehicle built for modern battlefields. Developed by Textron, this unmanned ground vehicle, UGV, features an open architecture design, allowing for multiple mission-specific modifications. Whether used for engineering operations, patrols, or reconnaissance, it delivers top-tier performance. The RIPSAW M3 can carry up to 2,268 kilograms, has a 290 kilometers operational range, and runs silently on electric power, ideal for stealth operations. With a top speed of 48 kilometers per hour, it's one of the fastest UGVs available, and it can even be airlifted by a CH-47 Chinook for rapid deployment in high-risk zones. Germany is taking military technology to the next level with the ARX MITHRA OS, a revolutionary system by ARX Robotics. This cutting-edge platform upgrades traditional armored vehicles by integrating high-tech sensors and cameras, transforming them into autonomous combat machines. With the swarming pilot system, these vehicles can communicate in real time, ensuring better battlefield coordination. The Situational Awareness Suite provides instant intelligence data, making decision-making faster and more effective. What's more, the MITHRA OS allows ground vehicles to work alongside UAVs, serving as tactical wingmen. These upgrades give the military a major strategic advantage, proving that modern warfare is evolving faster than ever. Turkey's FNSS Defense Systems Incorporated is renowned for its cutting-edge armored vehicles, and the Teber 35 turret system takes firepower to the next level. Designed for the PARS 8x8 armored fighting vehicle, this state-of-the-art turret features remote control capabilities and can be equipped with the Bushmaster 335mm automatic cannon. This system allows for a wide range of ammunition types, enabling the PARS 8x8 to neutralize tanks, UAVs, and infantry threats. With an alternate 40mm cannon option, the Teber 35 can fire 200 rounds per minute, ensuring rapid and effective suppression of enemy forces. This battle-ready technology proves why FNSS remains a leader in advanced military vehicle innovation. Turkey's SANLAB is revolutionizing military training and robotic platforms with its cutting-edge technology. Established in 2009, the company specializes in high-tech turret platforms with 6 degrees of freedom, capable of handling equipment up to 14 tons. These versatile platforms aren't just for combat applications, they're also used for advanced training simulators, replicating heavy construction equipment operations. With SANLAB's proprietary software, users can analyze training or testing data through detailed charts and reports. The company even offers expert support for integrating virtual reality solutions, making military training more immersive and effective than ever before. Seeing through armor might sound like science fiction, but the HENSOLDT SETAS system makes it a reality. Developed by Germany's HENSOLDT, this military technology provides a full 360 degrees external view for armored vehicle crews, using a combination of optical and electronic systems. The real-time imaging can even be displayed on smart glasses, offering enhanced situational awareness. SETAS doesn't just let soldiers see their surroundings, it actively tracks and identifies threats, detecting snipers and RPG-wielding infantry before they can attack. This system is expected to play a major role in the upcoming European Main Battle Tank, EMBT, further proving Germany's leadership in cutting-edge defense solutions. It may look like ordinary tape, but the EBAD breacher strip is a game-changing explosive tool. Developed by Ensign Bickford Aerospace and Defense (EBAD) in the US, this military-grade breaching device uses PTN, the same high-explosive compound found in anti-tank warheads. The strip also contains nitrocellulose and plasticizers, making it versatile and highly effective. Certified for international use, the EBAD breacher strip is designed to blow through doors, windows, and even reinforced walls with pinpoint accuracy. Whether in urban warfare or counter-terrorism operations, this compact yet powerful explosive tool gives military personnel the ability to clear obstacles instantly and advance with confidence. When troops need to cross rivers or obstacles fast, the KNDS Boxer Bridgelayer is the ultimate solution. Created by KNDS Holding, a joint venture between Germany's KMW and France's Nexter, this advanced military vehicle transforms the Boxer armored fighting vehicle into a high-speed bridge deployment system. It can deploy a 22-meter bridge in under 6 minutes or a 14-meter bridge in just 4 minutes, allowing forces to cross difficult terrain without delay. Built with state-of-the-art protection, it shields against mines, IEDs, and even chemical, biological, and radioactive threats. Combining speed, versatility, and superior protection, the KNDS Boxer Bridgelayer is a crucial asset for modern military forces. Drones are everywhere, but the CILAS HELMA-P laser system is built to take them down. Developed in France, this high-powered 2 kW laser defense system can neutralize UAVs from up to a kilometer away, making it a powerful anti-drone weapon. At closer ranges of 3 kilometers, it can disable the optical systems of enemy drones, effectively blinding them. Designed to target both micro-drones, 100G, and larger UAVs, 20 kg+, the HELMA-P is already being upgraded with a new turret featuring night vision cameras, ensuring round-the-clock protection. As drone threats continue to rise, military forces around the world are looking to laser technologies like HELMA-P to secure the skies.